far, far away, there lived a prince named Prahlad. And he was very kind and loved by everyone. But there was a problem in his kingdom. The king, Prahlada's father, was very proud and wanted everyone to worship him. वो क्या चाहते थे कि सब मेरी पूजा करें, और प्रहलाद किसकी पूजा करते थे? गॉड विष्णु की. किसकी? The Prahlad's father did not like that his son worshipped Lord Vishnu. So he wanted Prahlad to stop praying Vishnu and worship him instead. But Prahlad's love for Lord Vishnu was strong and he continued to pray for him. King's sister, Holika. Who's Holika? Wait for Holika. Oh, so here is Holika. She witnessed fire without yet burning. Means Holika have a magical power. Angry because my son is not going to pray me. Holika agreed. Okay, and sat with Prahlad in huge fire, thinking she would remain unharmed. But something miraculous happened. I am getting burned. I am getting burned. Prahlad, who was chanting Lord Vishnu, and Holika despised and he is very, very furious now. He called Prahlad and Prahlad came to the court. Where is the Lord Vishnu? I want Vishnu. Prahlad said, Vishnu is everywhere. God lies in you, but God lies in me. King was again so angry. And fierce fight between both. After in the end what happens? The king got lied. This is the end of the story.
From that day, people celebrated the victory of good over evil and named it Holi.